Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you much for stopping by. So today's video topic is all about how to manifest your specific person even when it seems impossible. And I've kind of sort of talked about this subject already on my channel, but I absolutely love talking about love, relationships. I'm such a romantic guy, so I just love talking about it all the time. And so I know that maybe a lot of you want to be with someone at the moment, but it almost seems impossible because you're with someone else, or that the circumstances at this current moment aren't working out in your favor, and it almost seems like it is impossible. And so, we're gonna talk about how you're able to manifest your specific person with Neville Goddard and his little strategy. It's a really simple strategy that will help you stay in alignment with your desired manifestation, which is to manifest your specific person. Before we jump right into this video, I do have two free gifts for y'all. I have a free manifestation cheat sheet guide that is going to help you with a lot of clarity around your manifestation. So I highlight 34 of my favorite tips and tricks and a really fun PDF document, as well as an exclusive meditation audio about manifesting your specific person. So if you're interested in those, click the link down below. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so like I said, this topic of the video is going to be about manifesting your specific person when it almost seems impossible. But this is actually good news for you, is that actually it's all about a belief. It's literally you've believed that it's impossible to be this person. You're letting circumstances kind of dictate your reality at this moment. But guess what? We are so freaking powerful. We can create anything in this world. We have to believe in our hearts and our mind that we are able to manifest this person. So really visualize this person in your mind. Really take a minute, create a little imaginal act in your mind. And basically, with imaginal acts, is basically Neville Goddard just saying, create this little mini movie in your mind that's super clear, crystal clear about your specific person. Then, what I want you to do is I kind of want you to just kind of let go and do something that is going to be bring you a lot of happiness and joy. And although this might not be some sort of in relation to what you're trying to manifest, but what this actually will do is keep your vibration very, very high and to stop you from drifting. And I actually kind of thought about this, the word drifting, when I was sleeping the other day, trying to think about how to talk about manifestation in a lot more of a clear, more easy to understand way. And basically, with drifting is that when you want something, a manifestation, so right now, manifesting your SP, you get super, super excited, then all of a sudden, you start to deviate and drift away from your manifestation. All of a sudden, the ego gets away and says, like, your SP is with someone else right now. It's gonna be impossible. Don't even think about it. You're not good enough. Da 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 da. And all of these limiting beliefs start creeping up, and that kind of drifts you away from alignment with your desires. And all of a sudden, you start feeling really bad about yourself because you're letting your ego get in the way and talk you out of that manifestation. So a lot of times when it comes to manifestations, you might not get them. It's because you're drifting away from them. But you have to stay on course, on track with your manifestation. That's going to be super, super powerful. And doing something fun and exciting is going to also distract your mind from the lack, in a sense, from your 3D in your real world and this current present moment that you don't have this person. And so when you finally finished your imaginal act, and then you open up your eyes, and your brain and your logical mind starts like kicking into high gear and saying, well, there is someone else, so there's no way you could possibly get it. Just don't even think about it. And then your mind kind of goes down a different rabbit hole and drifts you away from your manifestation. So doing something fun that is not relating to your manifestation will kind of distract your mind from really thinking about that person. You're kind of letting it go. You're letting the universe do its own thing, because you shouldn't be focusing on the how, if, or why something's happening. It should just be you want something and you're allowing it into your own experience, and you allow it, and things just come out of thin air in a sense, because your energy, everything's energy. So when you are doing your manifestations and you're thinking about stuff and you're in a high vibrational state, things almost come out of thin air, but you're actually in alignment with those desires, that it just is an energetic match. So we have to become an energetic match by keeping our energy very high, very positive, very great about ourselves, very confident about ourselves, and just kind of reach a. It also helps you reach a knowingness that it's going to happen for you. Because when you know that something's going to happen, it's going to happen for you. It's a pretty magical experience. And so I also want you to kind of throw away that belief of it being impossible, because when you set yourself up for saying, oh, this is impossible, then it's going to happen, because what Neville Goddard says, what you believe to be true will happen. So if you believe that it's going to be impossible to be with this person because this XYZ circumstance, then that's what's going to happen, is that you're believing in that aspect. But if you're like, I have my heart set on this person, I believe that we'll be able to be with, like, this person brings so much happiness and joy into my life. I can see yourselves together, really feeling and basking in that feeling, in that emotion, and you're visualizing that in your mind, and you're ignoring all circumstances. It will be brought into your life so freaking fast, because you never know that when you keep on that track, the universe is in work, and maybe all of a sudden your SP actually ends that relationship with that previous person because they're no longer interested in that person. They're actually interested in you. So really, the universe works in wonders of ways, and it's so exciting. But really stay on track with your manifestations. Get rid of the, that this is like the belief that, get rid of the belief of it's impossible, because everything is possible. You're an amazing person. Things are always working out in your favor. And when you really believe in that, instead of that you are a good person, that what you want to create in your world will happen, it will happen for you. And it will seem weird at first, because your logical mind, like I said, will kick in, but really ignore it. Do something fun to distract your mind instead, and keep on course. Keep your energy levels up high, and all of a sudden that person is going to be coming into your life. Trust me on that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. Comment down below on what you would like me to talk about next on my channel about manifestation. Any questions me about manifestation, about manifesting your specific person, I would love to hear from you. And as always, I love creating these videos for you guys, and I always love chatting with you. And I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye!